In our previous lessons about the Frog Prince, we learned about the past simple and used it to talk about past events. In today's lesson, using the story of Rapunzel, we will look at another way to talk about the past, using the past continuous. Link to the full story in the description and the first pinned comment. Let's look at these examples from the story. The woman was looking into the garden. She was standing by the window. He was hiding behind a tree. So when did these actions take place? The past or the present? The answer, they happened in the past. In the past continuous form, was or were tells us we are talking about the past. The ing tells us that the event was in progress. So the past continuous is for events in progress in the past. The main, most basic use of the past continuous is to talk about actions in progress while in the past. This can be used in two ways. This is very good for setting a scene when telling a story or explaining what happened to you. It makes us feel like we are reliving the moment. It creates a picture in our minds. The past continuous can also be used for interruptions or actions happening at the same time. If you notice, the interruption or other action is in the simple past tense. For example, while the prince was walking, he followed the sound. This means he was walking and he followed the sound. Followed is in the past tense. Or, the prince was riding through the forest when he heard a beautiful voice. So he was riding through the forest, then he heard a voice. So we can see that the past continuous and the past simple work together. So you might be wondering when you should use the past simple and when you should use the past continuous. That will be in our next lesson. For now, let's just focus on the past continuous. Now let's talk about common time markers, words that can help us know what tense we are using. When is used with interruptions. When can come at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. And while is used when actions are happening at the same time. While introduces the long action or the past continuous. It can come in the beginning or the middle of the sentence. And now let's practice. You have 3 exercises with the answers.
The first exercise. Rewrite the sentences using when. Pause the video and take as much time as you need to complete the exercise. And here are the answers to your exercise. Pause the video and check your answers. And here is your second exercise. Instructions. Rewrite the sentences using while. Pause the video and complete the exercise. And here are the answers to your exercise. Pause the video and check your answers. And here are the rest of the answers to the second exercise. Pause the video and check your answers. This is the last exercise. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous. Pause the video and complete the exercise. Take as much time as you need. And here are the answers to the last exercise. Pause the video and check your work. So now, tell your story. Tell us about an interruption that happened yesterday. For example, I was eating lunch when the doorbell rang. And number 2, tell us about 2 actions you were doing at the same time. For example, while I was scrolling on my phone, the internet stopped. Thanks for watching. Want to learn the keywords from the story? Watch the vocabulary lesson, or continue on to your next story.